I put it 2 sin x cos x here into cos x. Okay. Now after plus I have cos 2x plus sin x, cos 2x into sin x, and cos 2x is 1 minus sin square x. We have seen in previous identity. यहाँ पे है ना जो है 2 sin x cos x, नहीं सॉरी cos 2x, that is 1 minus sin square x, 1 minus 2 sin square x. कौन सी आइडेंटिटी है ये हमारी? मैं इसका नंबर लिख देता हूँ ताकि आपको प्रॉब्लम ना हो बाद में, ठीक है? इसके नोट्स आज आपको भेज दिए जाएंगे। मैंने जी आइडेंटिटी को यूज कर लिया है ऐसे। अब आपको बता रहेगा जी देख लेना एंड विल गेट इट। मैंने जी को यूज कर लिया, आई हैव यूज्ड द जी 1 minus 2 sin square x into sin x। sin x तो sin x की तरह आ जाएगा, थोड़ा सा क्लीन कर देंगे, यू विल गेट इट मोर। सो नाउ कैन वी कम ऑन के आइडेंटिटी? वी आर मूविंग टू के आइडेंटिटी नाउ। ओके, the reason I am telling each as a derivation because they can come as a question also, ठीक है? Okay, now cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, ठीक है? इसको मैं सॉल्व नहीं करूंगा, इसको आप सॉल्व करेंगे। सॉल्व इट नाउ। cos x plus 3 cos cube x, so it is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay, now we are coming to the L identity. Tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x 1 minus 3 tan square x. Quickly solve this. Formula is simple. Tan 2x plus x, and we know tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. Okay, so I am telling the approach. Tan 3x is equal to tan 2x plus x, and later on you will change it. Tan 2x is equal to tan x plus x. Tan 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. So if you put these values, okay, I am solving it because you have to move also. So it is tan 2x plus tan x upon 1 minus tan 2x into tan x. Now tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Put this here and you will get it in this format. Okay, do it at your home. Now next set of identities is M. M is Mecca identities. Mecca identities, I will say. They are a set of 4 formulas for cos x plus y, cos x minus cos y, sin x plus sin y, sin x minus sin y. Okay, अभी तक हमने देखा था cos x plus y, but here it is cos x plus cos y. We had seen cos x minus y, but here it is cos x minus cos y. If you see the earlier formulas, what they were this. We had seen cos x plus y earlier, but here it is cos x plus cos y. We had seen cos x minus y. Cos x minus y is not equal to cos x minus cos y. James had asked this question into the last lecture yesterday. Okay, so everyone pay attention that cos x minus y is not equal to cos x minus cos y. Cos x minus cos y is minus 2 sin x, this x plus y upon 2 into sin x minus y upon 2. So formulas are different. Formulas are different. Okay, so M identity gives us sum of 2 cosines. M identity gives us sum of 2 cosines, sum difference of 2 cos, sum of 2 sin, difference of 2 sin. But on the right hand side, it gives us cos of sum of 2 angles. Sum of 2 cos and cos of sum of 2 angles is different. Okay, is this point clear? I put this in comparison because of that you can compare left side formula and right side formula. Right, we have already seen. Okay, is it clear? Many times people have a confusion. कई बार confusion होता है, इसीलिए मैंने इसको यहाँ रखा है comparison में. ओके ओके। सो अब आपको ये फॉर्मूलाज का कंपैरिजन मालूम है। यू नो cos x प्लस cos y, cos x माइनस cos y, sin x प्लस sin y, sin x minus sin y. Okay, so we have one more set of identities at n, 4 identities. I will say n nested identities. सारी identities इकट्ठी करी, एक में रख दी। 2 cos x cos y minus 2 sin x sin y, 2 sin x cos y, 2 cos x sin y. पता है, you just try to see n identities are nothing but derived from this to this. Derived. You add cos x plus y and cos x minus y, you will get this. N is not something special identity. I have added these to equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, add 1 and 2, you will get this. It is no special identity. N is not a special identity. I am just trying to put it. But you should be able to put it in your solution. Why we use it? Like for example, if I am given something 2 times cos of 15 degree and cos of for example 30 degree, or I shall give not 30, I'll give you 45. Do you know cos 15? You do not know cos 15. आपको cos 15 मालूम ही नहीं है। आपको cos 15 मालूम ही नहीं है। You can use this formula. What it will give me? Cos of x plus y, 15 plus 45 plus cos of 15 minus 45. So it is cos 60 degree plus cos of minus 30 degree. Cos minus 30 is cos 30 only. So and cos 60 is half, plus cos of 30 degree is, what is cos of 30 degree? Root 3 upon 2. It is equal to 1 plus root 3 upon 2. Right? Right? इनके साथ हम अपनी आइडेंटिटीज क्लोज करते हैं. These are the formulas and identities we use in trigonometry. So that means now we will move to the problem solving. Okay. Please solve this question. Those who do one then can start solving second one. Please solve these 3 questions. Okay, now we will start. First question. Cos 7x plus cos 5x. What we will use? Cos a plus cos b, cos x plus cos y. What is cos x plus cos y? Use the formula identity. This one m1. What is it? Cos 2 cos x plus y upon 2 cos x minus y upon 2. 2 cos x plus y upon 2 into cos x minus y upon 2. X is 7x. Twice of cos of 7x plus 5x upon 2 into cos of 7x minus 5x upon 2. That is equal to twice of cos x, 6x into cos of x. Numerator will go this. Now for the denominator, what we will use? We will use sin x plus sin y. Use the formula sin x plus sin y, 2 sin x plus y upon 2 cos x minus y upon 2. 2 sin x plus y upon 2 into sin x minus y upon 2, right? What is x? 7x. Twice of sin 7x plus 5. It is sin x minus sin y. Sorry. Okay, sorry. It is 2. It is sin x minus sin y. We will use this formula. Use this one. Okay. So what it is? Twice of cos 7x plus 5 sin x plus 5x upon 2 into sin of 7x minus 5x upon 2. So it is equal to twice of cos of 6x into sin of x. So this is numerator. This is denominator. So what it is? Twice of cos 6x into cos of x upon twice of cos 6x into sin x. It is equal to cos x upon sin x is equal to cot x. Fine. You have to just use the formula, nothing else. Okay. Now second question, sin 5x plus sin x minus 2 sin of 3x. Okay, but we have 2 sin 3x also. So what we will do, we will use the formula here, sin x plus sin y formula, right? And that is how we will solve numerator. Okay, and for denominator, so we will use the formula in denominator, that is cos of 5x minus cos of x. That is how you will calculate. Okay, so this is numerator and you will get the 10x. Okay, I will send the PDF, don't worry. Everyone please listen, sometimes we get the question in the form of a formula direct. So if you understand the formula, अगर आपको फॉर्मूला समझ में आता है, याद है, तो sometimes every question it's a formula itself. So it is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, that formula you can see in the identities. X, this part is y, this is again x, this is again y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, everyone knows the formula. What it is nothing but cos of x plus y. Okay, you can simply solve it here. What is x? Cos of x. X is pi upon 4 minus x, and y is pi upon 4 minus y. That is cos of pi 2 minus of x plus y. And cos pi 2 minus theta is cos theta is equal to, sorry, sin theta. So it will come out to be sin of x plus y. Why? Because cos of pi 2 minus theta is equal to sin theta. ठीक है, these three questions we have solved. It will end and we will solve more questions.